Good morning, children. Now we'll start with the very interesting topic in this chapter. That is the rounding of the numbers. Where we need this rounding of the numbers. Suppose you somewhere, for example, painting of the house, isn't it? Or some big expenditures are there where we need some estimate value. We need some estimate value, that is approximation. There we do the rounding of the numbers. So this rounding of the numbers we can do, that is for the tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, so on. To get the round figure, we can do the rounding off to the nearest 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, etc. Now how we can do this rounding of the numbers? Let's study now. See, to the nearest 10, when you want to do the rounding of the numbers to the nearest 10, what we do? You have to just, see, first I'll circle this number. Circle the digit where I want to rounding off. Now here at tens place means we want to rounding off at the digit that is the 7. So I circled it. Now next digit which I have to consider, that is the 1. This one I have to check to round off the given number at its nearest 10. Now look here, at the ones place it is 1. At the ones place it is 1. So according to the rounding of rules, what we have to do, if this 1 is less than 5, if it is less than 5, this digit at the tens place will not change. And we are replacing this ones digit, ones place by 0. Or if this digit at the ones place is greater than 5 or equal to 5, then the digit at the tens place will change to the next tens and this ones digit will be replaced by 0. Now here you can see this digit which is at the ones place is less than 5 and hence the tens digit will not be changed to the next tens. So it will remain as it is, and this place, ones place, will be replaced by 0. Hence after rounding of this number, we will get 617870. Okay, after rounding of it to the nearest 10, we will get 617870. Now see this number, another number to which we rounding off to the nearest 10. Now this digit, that is the tens digit, because I want to rounding up to the nearest 10. Hence the digit at which I have to round it off, it is 0, and the digit which I have to check now to rounding of this tens place is here 5. Now in this case it is equal to 5. It is equal to 5. That's why the digit at tens place will go to the next 10. Hence this number will be now 514210, because ones place we are replacing by 0. Thus, do you understand, children, how we have rounded off these two numbers to the nearest 10? Now let's see how to round it off the numbers to the nearest 100. Here in this number, to round it up to the nearest 100, the digit which I have to check is 8, because we are having 8 at the hundreds place, and the digit which we have to check to round it off, that is the 6, because next digit we are considering isn't it? To round it off this hundreds place, it is 6. Since this 6 is greater than 5, this digit at the hundred place will increase to the next hundred, and the both digits at tens and ones place will be replaced by 00. So after rounding of this number to the nearest hundred, I'll get 7133900. 7133900. Now look here. In this number, next second number, I want to round it up to the nearest hundred. The digit at which I have to rounding off, which is 5, and the digit I have to check to rounding of this hundred place is here 2. Since this 2 is less than 5, okay, it is less than 5, this digit at hundred place will not change to the next hundred. But I'll replace this tens and ones digit by 00. So the approximate value of this number after rounding up to the nearest hundred will be 80750. Okay, it will be 80750 after explanation. Okay, children. Now, let's see the rounding of the number to the nearest 1000. We'll see rounding of the numbers to the nearest 1000. I'll take any two numbers. Okay, I want to round it off these two numbers to the nearest 1000. So which is the digit which I want to round it off? Here it is 7, because the digit at the thousandth place is 7, and the digit which I have to check for rounding of the number, that is 3. And since this 3 is less than 5, okay, 3 is less than 5, this thousandth digit will not change to the next thousandth place. And I'll replace this all hundreds, tens, ones place by zeros. So after rounding up to the nearest thousand, it will be 217000. So what I'll get? 21, isn't it? It will be 2,17,000. It will be 2,17,000 after rounding up. Now next number. Check the next number. Here the digit at which I want to round it off to the nearest is 8. And the digit which I have to check, which is 5. Since this next digit at the hundreds place is equal to 5, the digit at the thousands place will change to the next thousands place. Next thousand place means it will be 9, and this all three digits will be replaced by 0. So I'll get 299,000. 299,000. Hence my approximate value or rounding of the number will be 2,99,000. So understand, children, this is called the rounding of the numbers. Now see here, I will give you a few numbers. What you do, you round off these numbers for nearest 10, 100 and 1000. Okay, now you make this table, and I am giving you few numbers to round it off to the nearest 10, 100 and 1000. Write down fast, okay? Then here 5, 6, 3, 8, 2, 7, 3, 2, 8, 9, 1, 5, 4, 3, 3, 5, 2, 8, 1 and 6, 7, 3, 8, 2, 1, 6. Right? 4 numbers children I have given you to round it off to the nearest 10, 100 and 1000. Do this homework in your notebook. Till then, bye-bye. See you next.